There is a heavy truth about homeownership that rarely gets talked about. We are taught to view our houses as permanent fixtures, but the reality is that homes have seasons in our lives, just like we do. And when those seasons change, staying put can cost you more than just your peace of mind. A house that was an absolute blessing 15 years ago might feel like a heavy weight today. The bustling 4-bedroom home that was perfect for raising a family can quickly become an exhausting cycle of cleaning and yard work. In fact, nearly 1 in 6 Wisconsinites are now over the age of 65, and thousands are managing massive multi-story homes where half the bedrooms haven't been used in years. Beyond the physical upkeep, there is a hidden financial drain. The median age of a house in Wisconsin is roughly 50 years old. If you are living in a home built in the 1970s or earlier, the major systems, roofs, foundations, plumbing, and HVAC are constantly demanding expensive attention. Financial experts recommend budgeting 1 to 2% of your home's value every single year just for routine maintenance. Combine that maintenance with the fact that Wisconsin consistently ranks in the top 10 states for the highest property tax rates in the nation. Every month you stay in a house that is too big for your current lifestyle. You're paying a premium in taxes, heating, and cooling for square footage you do not even use. That's why when a house stops being a sanctuary and starts feeling like an anchor, many homeowners carry a quiet sense of guilt. You might feel like you are failing to keep up with the endless weekend to-do list, or feel guilty for wanting to let go of a place that holds decades of family memories. We want to validate exactly where you are today. You are not failing at home ownership. You have simply entered a new season. Your home is supposed to serve you, support your peace, and fit your current lifestyle. It is not supposed to be a second job that drains your retirement savings. It is okay to admit when a space no longer fits the life you are living right now. At Fair Deal Home Buyers, we understand that moving on is an emotional transition, not just a financial one. We buy Wisconsin homes exactly as they sit. No repairs, no cleaning out the decades of clutter, and no endless open houses. We are a trusted local team with an A+ BBB rating, dedicated to helping you navigate this change with respect and dignity. If you are ready to step into your next season, reach out to us. We make selling easy, so you can start fresh. Call or text us at 4144-098251 or visit fairdealhomebuyers.com.